Today we will be solving question number 21 for the CKA practice exam. The question says check how long the Kube-APIServer certificate is valid on control plane. Do this with openssl of cfssl. Write the expiration date into temp-opt course 22 expiration. Also run the correct kubeadm command to list the expiration dates and confirm both methods show the same date. Write the correct kubeadm command that would renew the APIServer certificate into this file. Okay, let's check the control plane. Get nodes, kind control plane, docker ps. This is the kind control plane. Copy, clear the screen. Docker ps -it bin bash exec -it bin bash openssl x509 n/etc/kubernetes/pki. We'll take this one dash no out dash end date. Here's the end date. Now let's go to our documentation. Kubeadm certificate management with Kubeadm. Certificate expiry and management. Kubeadm certs check expiration. Clear the screen. Decrease the font size here. So this is the one we are looking for. So if we see that this time, this expiration date matches this one, good. So let's clear the screen. One more thing is that we need to write the expiration date in this file. So let's copy this file. We'll be doing vim expiration. Go to our first tab. Where's the expiration? Here it is. Not after. Copy, paste. So this is the expiration date that we needed. Save and quit. The second part says that also run kubeadm command to list the expiration and confirm that we have done. Now the last thing is to write a correct kubeadm command that would renew the APIServer certificate into this this file. So let's search here. If we scroll down, we can find manual certificate renewal, and in here we need to copy this part of the command. Clear the screen, and it will say APIServer and certificate for serving the API Kubernetes APIServer renewed. So this is the command that we need to paste. Copy this command. We'll say echo. Clear the screen, and we'll paste this into this file. Got it. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.